Hello guys, One Key Car Garage back at you. Today we're going to be changing the drive belts on the Infiniti FX35. So we're doing these two belts right here, the AC belt and the main drive belt. Alright guys, so I'll keep you posted. Get your covers off, tools of the trade ready to go, and I'll be back with you. So guys, you're gonna need a 12 mil, and the tensioner or tensioners for this vehicle is under here. Can't see it, but there's a 12 mil bolt right there. I'm going to use this technique to loosen that to relieve the tension on the bigger belt. On the smaller belt, same thing. The bolt is under here. The tensioner bolt is under this pulley here. So same thing, 12 mil as well. And get back at you. So guys, the first tensioner bolt I was referring to, right here. And the second bolt is right there. Alright? Right under that pulley, right there. This bad boy right here. And that right there. You just loosen those. Should be able to get the larger belt off first, and then the smaller belt. Pay attention to the orientation of the belts. Take a picture so you can put it back on as it came off. Alright guys, so once you've gotten the bottom tensioner loose, you also want to go ahead with a 14 mil, and you just want to loosen up this tensioner pulley right here. Not all the way off, just enough to loosen the belt, and then you'll be able to slip the belt right off. Okay guys, that's it. And with that same 14, you also want to go to the other side. So we're using the 14 on the tensioner pulleys, all right, and then we're using the 12 under the tensioners. All right, back at you. And now that we have both belts off, we can see, we can focus a little bit here. Definitely some cracking going on, and they were indeed due for replacement. All right guys, so that's both belts off, and these are going on now. So guys, that's it there, finished product. Looking good, sounding good. So that's 14 mil, 12 mil. Tensioners on the bottom, and tensioner pulley. And that's it guys. On to the next project. So guys, just changed one of the fog light bulbs, and it's going to be a H8, and you're gonna have to remove the belly pan. There's some 10 mil bolts, and there's also another cover here, and the bulb is located under there. And basically you just twist and pull out and replace. Easy enough. There's a lot of tutorials online. You can look into that if you have that issue, and you can go ahead and replace both while you're at it. In the meantime, cleaning out the radiator area, and came upon this, and the list goes on. Was able to get a little dusting on the headlamps here. They were way worse than that, and I'm taking another pass at that later on, and the project continues. And also I'm going to get some strut braces for the hood. All right, guys, so the project continues. Keep you updated.